Hello there. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Viber mobile application. To use the Viber mobile app, firstly go ahead and install and set it up by entering your phone number to receive a verification code. In order to go ahead and download and install, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Viber, and then simply go ahead and download it and then click on open. Make sure that you enter your mobile number to go ahead and log in into your account. Now, once you've done that and set up your account, which I've already made a video on, by the way, so you can go ahead and back into my channel and then check how you can create a Viber account. So there are going to be a couple basic functions that we're going to be going over. So finding contact, all you need to do is simply on the top right, there's going to be a pencil icon. Click on that and then search for someone who you want to message or call. Now, in order to go ahead and start a chat, simply go ahead and tap on their name, and then this is going to be what the chat is going to look like. Here you can simply go ahead and write anything that you want and then send it to them right away. Now, in order to go ahead and send a message, you will have to go ahead and type and click on this button on the right hand side of your screen right over here. So once you've done that, if you want to know how to make calls, all you need to do is on the top right, there's going to be this call button right over here, which you want to simply go ahead and click on, and it will do the voice call. And on the right side, there's going to be a video call button. So that is most likely it. You want to simply click on this plus icon if you want to send photos from your gallery, location, disappearing messages, contact, or even app. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was,